How to draw a Christmas gnome. Draw 9 equal squares to use as guidelines to follow along as your guide to the drawing. I am drawing his hat to look like a decorated Christmas tree, so let's start by drawing a small star at the top. Christmas trees are always narrower at the top and wide at the bottom. As I draw down from the star, you will see the lines not only widening outward, but you will see me drawing small balls on an angle opposite each other. These are for the string of Christmas lights being created. Now draw circles in a row between the ball lights on the outer edge of the tree, making your way downward. Once all of the ball lights are drawn, connect them together with a line to look like the electric cord. Draw some lines toward the edge of the hat to make it look like it is crinkled from being worn. When drawing the face, the nose is an excellent place to start. Draw a large oval shape centered under the hat for his nose. From there, you have a good point to draw in his beard and eyes. Follow along now as simple lines are used to create his arms, body, and feet. Keep in mind, nothing needs to be perfectly duplicated when drawn because no two gnomes are the same. Notice how these lines aren't intended to be straight, because they are a part of his coat that is made out of fur. You can draw lines for the hair of his beard the way you like. Just let them flow in the direction of his beard. Now all you need to do is just color him. Have a Merry Christmas or the holiday your religion guides you.